Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2019 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E13678. 15,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, diamond black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space, rear defrost for excellent visibility, and sliding window for extra ventilation. Ram is very unique and the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors, trailering package, and backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Spray and bed liner for easy cleaning as well as protection. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. CD player, auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, sliding window control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.